Back in the kitchen. Today, Chef Andy, we got another little special DIY backpacking meal, and with much requests, we are going to go through the backpacking shepherd's pie.
And just want to give a shout out to the subscriber who kind of got our brains thinking about this.
Yeah.
Like, how can we accomplish this goal of making an excellent backpacking shepherd's pie? And you know, in our previous video, where were we gonna link it up there or something?
Yeah.
You can watch our wives trying out these recipes, and we clearly came to a consensus that the shepherd's pie was by far the best. So then the next goal was, how do we make it more user-friendly to the trail? So this quick video, we're going to go through how we're going to make our backpacking shepherd's pie recipe, which, you know, we're always fine-tuning things, but I think we're at a place right now where we're ready to share it.
It's coming together.
It's coming together. And so we'll go through what you need, how you're going to dehydrate it, and how you're going to package it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. You're going to need some veggies. Now, we were lazy and we just bought frozen vegetable medley packs, carrots, peas.
I think that turned out pretty well though.
Carrots, peas, corn, some other stuff. You can always get your favorite veggies, mushrooms, onions, whatever. Get a bunch of veggies, you need them. Next, you need your favorite gravy packet. There's so many different ones out there, doesn't matter, just get some gravy, some powdered gravy.
Gravy packet makes it.
Yeah. You're gonna need your favorite instant mashed potatoes. Yeah, go with whatever you want. 5 cheese, garlic.
Applewood smoked bacon is a favorite of ours.
Doesn't matter, whatever you like. And then finally, you need some type of protein. So most people will use ground beef. Since we're being, I guess, hipstery, we're using ground turkey. We like ground turkey.
We like ground turkey. It has less fat and it dehydrates a little bit better than ground beef. You can obviously still use ground beef. Just make sure after you cook it, you rinse it really thoroughly to get as much fat out of there as possible.
Yep. So, yeah, it's very basic ingredients. So all you're gonna do is you're going to cook up your ground meat, and then just no reason, but I just throw all the vegetables together in it.
Yeah, you want to, if you're not going to do that, you do need to what they call blanch the vegetables. I've made this mistake before. So like our vegetables are in a steamer bag, so we'll steam them and then throw them together with the meat, but the steaming process cooks them a little bit. If you're not going to do that, you have to blanch them, which is essentially taking your vegetables and tossing them in boiling hot water for a couple minutes and then cold water. Vegetables turn out really weird if you dehydrate them like just as a vegetable.
Yeah.
So make sure you either cook them, steam them like a steaming packet, or blanch the vegetables before you mix them in with your ground beef.
Absolutely. So then you're gonna put them on your dehydrator, and of course we use the trusty Nesco dehydrators.
Nesco. Snack Master?
Snack
Master. Is that what it's called?
I don't know. $60 on Amazon.
Yeah.
About 8 to 12 hours generally. And then, yeah, when that's dehydrated, you're going to separate it into portion sizes. And I'm gonna be honest here, don't really have a good formula on what the portion size should be.
Yeah.
It's generally about 3/4 cup of the meat and vegetables, and about 1/2 cup of potatoes, and we'll show you how you do that. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so now that you've got everything dehydrated properly, you're gonna wanna take your meat and vegetable mix, fill up about, I don't know, 1/4 to 1/3 of a regular Ziploc freezer bag. And then you're gonna wanna take about 2 spoonfuls of your gravy mix, your powdered gravy, and add it to that dehydrated mix. That's where all your flavor is gonna come from, that and your potatoes. Finally, you wanna take about 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of your instant mashed potato mix. Put it in one of those you know, cheap plastic sandwich bags, tie it off, because you're gonna add that in later. I put that on top in with everything so I don't lose where the mashed potatoes are. So when you're finally ready to eat, just add your water, your hot water to the mix. Probably take about 20 to 30 minutes to rehydrate your vegetables and your meat. And then, of course, add more water than you think you need, because at the end you're just going to dump in your instant mashed potatoes and then mix it all together, and you'll have a glorious trail meal. So speaking of on the trail,
let's just snap our fingers and take us out to the mountains.
yeah, let's try this in the right conditions.
Yeah, let's go out there.
All right, ready? Hey, looking through the magic of cinematography, we're on the trail. So, we're obviously not eating this crap.
I like it.
So, I've decided I'm gonna actually cold soak this for camp tonight. So, I'm gonna take out the instant mashed potatoes, and then I'm going to just, put some water in there, cold soak it, and then when I get to camp later, we'll add some hot water into it for the mashed potatoes, and they'll have the hot shepherd's pie will be ready.
Look at that, cold soaked shepherd's pie. Because of the events of last night, which you'll have to watch the Linville Gorge trip, which will be out after this video, so you will be waiting.
It's got about a 15-hour cold soak.
That cold soaked overnight.
So we're gonna have shepherd's pie for breakfast.
It's very British of you. I feel like that's a British thing.
It's not.
It's not. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're gonna add it and then pour the water in there. See,
Yeah.
I dehydrated the
Yeah, and then
I dehydrated them separately.
I'm gonna put the hot water in here so it'll warm everything up.
Okay. And then mix it all up.
Yep.
I like that strategy. Man, that's a hearty breakfast. Just eyeballing it.
No, eyeball it.
Oh, don't. And these instant mashed potatoes brought to you by Rainwater. Oh,
Need more water.
really?
Yeah.
You gotta mix it up. That looks mighty good.
Yeah, it's gonna be delicious.
Mmm. All right, let's see.
Sam, I'm so glad you didn't die yesterday.
Wow, that does. It looks like mine. So, final thoughts here,
Delicious.
and more gravy than a spoonful of gravy.
A little bit more gravy.
I do like how you dehydrated the potatoes in with the everything else that was already rehydrated. That was good.
Rehydrated it.
All right, so let's get back to the kitchen.
Oh, look, we're back in the kitchen.
We're back here.
Oh, that's
We got
cool.
some cats.
Oh, wow. Well, thanks everybody for watching. Again, we really hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a shot, try it out. I know it's not the perfect recipe. Everything's constantly getting tweaked, but
It's all good.
I'm sure we'll be back in the kitchen in a little while.
So thank you all for watching. We always try and pimp making your own dehydrating meals. I think Packet Gourmet is the only company that makes a shepherd's pie. Maybe. But give it a try. It's not that expensive, and it's kind of fun, and you get some great meals. So
Yeah.
thank you all for watching,
Like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram as usual.
and we'll catch you all in the next one.